Introducing the 2022 Skoda Kodiaq 7S STY 2.0 TDI with 150 horsepower and DSG transmission. This sleek SUV in grey comes fully loaded with luxurious features like ambient lighting, satellite navigation and wireless charging. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags and collision avoidance braking. Stylish touches such as chrome accents, privacy glass and roof rails complete the look. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check and is serviced to manufacturer specification. It also comes with a comprehensive warranty for peace of mind. Don't miss out on this opportunity to drive home in style. Call us or visit our website mullingarautos.ie for more information on this impressive Skoda Kodiaq.